In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook from disabling Teams. 5 minutes. We're going to work inside the Outlook desktop app since that's where the Teams meeting add-in runs. Go ahead and open Outlook on your computer. If you use multiple profiles, make sure you're in the one where you schedule your meetings so you're checking the right settings. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This takes you into the Backstage area where you can get to all of Outlook's application level settings and tools. Next, choose Options at the bottom of the left sidebar. This opens the Outlook Options window. Think of this as the control center for how Outlook behaves, including which add-ins are allowed to load. In the Outlook Options window, select add-ins from the list on the left. The add-ins panel shows every extension Outlook knows about, grouped by status. This is where Outlook tracks which add-ins are active, inactive, or disabled because of performance or trust issues. Now look through the list for an entry called Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. The name needs to match closely so you don't confuse it with other Teams or Office add-ins. You'll usually find it listed as a COM add-in, which is the traditional add-in framework Outlook uses on Windows. Check where that Teams add-in appears. If you see it under Active Application Add-ins, that means Outlook is loading it correctly and should keep it available. In that state, you should have the option to add Teams meetings from your Outlook Calendar toolbar. If you don't see it under Active and instead find it under Inactive or Disabled, that's a sign Outlook may have unloaded it previously, often due to performance considerations. Make a note of the status so you can report it to your IT admin or follow your organization's process to keep the add-in enabled. The key is confirming its current status here so you know whether Outlook is actively loading Teams. When you're done reviewing the status, click OK to close the Outlook options window. This exits the settings area and brings you back to your inbox or calendar. That's it. By opening Outlook, going to File, heading into Options, checking add-ins, locating the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office, and confirming it's listed as active, you verified whether Outlook is keeping Teams enabled. If it's active, you're all set. If not, you now know exactly where to look and what to share with your support team to address it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps keep your Teams meetings just a click away in Outlook.